for the final part of this series, I missed the one neighbor finishing his wall, and the other neighbor happens to be doing his now. So as you can see, down at the bottom, you got the bottom plates that hold the upper concrete blocks in place. And now the upper concrete blocks act as the main retaining wall. They're actually bringing in dirt to level it out behind the wall right now. And when they're done, it will end up looking like that. So once they get the concrete blocks in place, they do a really good job with the facing. Here they added some rock to the outside edge as riprap. But then you can see that they did a really good job with the look. Now these front concrete slabs that are made to look like a rock wall, so to speak, you can see the top, it's concrete all the way along it. They're a little thinner, and then right behind this is where you have the big blocks. And down below, they have them cemented together. They did a great job with this one. And then he put in a new dock too as well. Two-sided dock. He's got his floating dock in between. The trees that they put down here for when the lake fills back up, be good for fishing. Kind of a fish habitat. So enjoy a little construction while you can see the final stages of how it's done. Hope you enjoyed the video.